Now we will see the HTML list elements. I'm using HR tag for up to here. HR tag gives the horizontal separation line. Let's refresh it. HR is a self-closed tag and it will gives a horizontal separation line. Now I'm using H1 heading 1 tag HTML list elements. I'm using color. I want to use color for this style. Color red. Refresh it. HTML elements. H3. 3 types of HTML list elements. Ordered list and description list. So we have 3 types of list elements: ordered list, unordered list, description list. Ordered list is nothing but it will gives the numbers are Roman numbers or digital numbers, letters for the list element. List element is nothing but the content is placed in list form. We will see the example. First, I will give example for ordered list. I want to give the color blue. Ordered list is write by using OL tags. OL tag. Within them we are using list items LI. In this I will repeat these only. Copy here and paste it here. Ordered list. Another LI. Unordered list. And the third one is description list. Let's see the output for ordered list. Refresh it. See the output ordered list. It will give the number 1, 2, 3. We can change this number pattern of the list items. We can change the pattern of these numbers of the unordered list. Ordered list, unordered list, description list. These are the, we are writing these names in LI tags. LI tags are nothing but list items. We have a style to change the pattern for that 1, 2, 3. What is that? Style equal to, within the double quotes, list style type, list hyphen style hyphen type. This is the property for to change the ordered list number pattern. List type per Roman. Let's give refresh and save here. See, Roman numbers are appearing. In that way we can give alphabets also. I will write, copy paste this another one. Here I want to give the letters. List style type lower alpha. I want to give lower alpha. Save. See the output. This is letter format. This is Roman letters. This is the default by default for ordered list. By default for ordered list, we will get 1, 2, 3 digits. I didn't add any style for this ordered list, and I add alpha for this ordered list. I add Roman for this ordered list. Without adding any style, by defaultly we are getting 1, 2, 3. Let's see the output. This is the default ordered list pattern, and we can change in this way also. That's it for ordered list.